wazamkhonto gwaza sihole emsholozi sihole angibingelele okhulumayo uNtsotsibane the president of the MK Youth League. We are here today in Church Square to march for justice and in defense of General Ntanta Mkhwanazi. So at Church Square, see a union building to say justice must be served, Senzo Mkhulu must be fired, and President Cyril Ramaphosa must resign because naye what Mkhwanazi is raising naye kuyamthinta somewhere somehow. Kanjani na President Ramaphosa wayenemali ayisephalaphala in dollars esingayazi ukuthi iqhamuka, and currently justice is not being served. Now they are saying Mkhwanazi what he has raised are the things that are affecting young people, in particular political killings in KZN. It's young people who are affected by the killings because it's our fathers and our mothers who are being killed, and justice is failing us. Now we are saying Mkhwanazi is us and we are Mkhwanazi. Mkhwanazi deserves a second term in the province of KZN ukuze akwazi ukuthi law and order can be served in the province. Now we are saying Mkhwanazi deserves a second term. You touch Mkhwanazi, you touch us, Amanda.